Let us have another example wherein the numerator has 4 terms and also the denominator has 4 terms. This is our example number 5. So suppose we have mx plus my plus nx plus ny all over mx minus 2 my plus nx minus 2 ny. The students have a common mistake on this one. There is a misconception about this. Let us first discuss the incorrect. The incorrect, so that you will be having an idea of what should be the correct answer is. And this should be avoided. So the question is mx plus my plus nx plus ny all over mx minus 2 my plus nx minus 2 ny. Now, the student noticed that they have a common mx. So they are factoring it. So mx divided by mx is 1. This is 1 also. My, and there is also an my, but there is a negative 2. So we have a negative 2. But this is positive 1. So nx and nx, they have a positive 1, positive 1. ny and ny here, you have negative 2. And this is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. 1 minus 2 is negative 1, plus 1, you have a negative 0. And then over a negative 2, so negative 2. And then divide this out because they have a common factor of 2. So 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. But this is wrong. It's incorrect. The correct way in answering this is this. We are using the factoring by grouping. We are to group the first term because they have a common factor of m. Factor out m. So mx divided by m will have x. Positive my divided by m will have positive y. And then the third and the fourth have a common factor of n. So plus n. nx divided by n will have x. Positive ny divided by n is positive y all over. Now, the first two terms in the denominator have mx, there is a common factor of m, and then x minus 2y, and then plus n, x minus 2y. So in the numerator, there is a common factor of xy, so I can factor out xy, x plus y. So x plus y, x plus y. What remains here is m plus n. Now, there's also a common factor of x minus 2y. I can factor out x minus 2y. And then, what remains in the first term is m plus n. Notice that there is a common factor of m plus n. This is the time that you're going to factor out because they are already factors. So what remains will be x plus y over x minus 2y. So we have to divide out only if they are presented as factors. Unlike this one, they are not factors, they are addends. So we cannot factor them. That is the wrong way to solve it. This is the correct way.